What if the real money in the AI revolution isn't just in the flashy GPU makers everyone's chasing, but in the hidden infrastructure companies building the chips, memory, and packaging that make AI actually work at scale? Right now, in mid-2026, the world is slamming into a brutal wall. AI demand is exploding faster than factories can keep up. Data centers are projected to eat up to 70% of global memory production this year, and the entire semiconductor market is on track to hit nearly $1 trillion or more. Shortages aren't coming, they're already here. Today, I'm revealing my top 3 stocks for the rest of 2026 and beyond. These aren't hype stocks, they're the backbone players positioned for massive tailwinds. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see why one of these could quietly deliver the biggest portfolio impact in your watch list. The semiconductor industry is forecasted to surge toward $975 billion to $1.29 trillion in 2026, driven almost entirely by the AI supercycle. Generative AI chips alone could approach $500 billion. Hyperscalers like Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, and Google are pouring hundreds of billions into data centers. Over $600 to $750 billion in capex expected. If you ignore this infrastructure layer, you risk missing the multi-year compounding gains as AI moves from training hype to real-world deployment everywhere, from cloud to edge. Get positioned right, and these stocks could be your ticket to participating in one of the biggest wealth creation events in tech history. We're going deep on each. Their moats, latest financials and metrics, 2026 catalysts, risks, and why they stand out. Plus, I'll share the one macro factor that could supercharge all 3. Let's dive in. Amkor Technology, AMKR, the unsung hero of advanced packaging. First up, Amkor Technology. Most investors have never heard of them, but they're becoming indispensable. Amkor specializes in advanced semiconductor packaging and testing, the critical back-end step where individual chips, chiplets, memory, and processors get assembled into powerful, efficient systems that AI demands. Think of it like this. Raw silicon dies are like ingredients. Advanced packaging is the master chef combining them into a high-performance meal. As AI models get more complex, traditional methods hit physical limits. Advanced packaging, things like high-density fan-out and 2.5D/3D integration, solves power, heat, and performance bottlenecks. In Q1 2026, Amkor smashed records with $1.68 billion in revenue, up a massive 27% year-over-year. EPS came in at 33 cents, beating estimates handily. Computing and AI data center demand drove huge growth, with communications up over 40%. Gross margins improved as higher-value AI work scaled. They're going all in on the future. Amkor announced a massive, multi-phase $7 billion Arizona advanced packaging campus, plus heavy investments in South Korea. 2026 capex is guided at $2.5 to $3 billion. Long-term targets, revenue scaling toward $9 to $11 billion plus by 2030. With gross margins expanding to 22% as AI/HPC mix grows. AI and HPC packaging demand is structural. Partnerships like the long-term TSMC deal and U.S. onshoring trends give them an edge. As more chip designers go modular with chiplets, Amkor's expertise becomes a choke point advantage. High capex could pressure near-term margins during ramps. Execution on the Arizona build-out is key. Delays or cost overruns could hurt. Competition in packaging exists, but Amkor's scale and U.S. presence are differentiators. Insider selling noted recently, which warrants monitoring. Amkor is a leveraged pure play on the AI build-out that most portfolios miss. If advanced packaging grows as expected, this could be a multi-bagger story over the next few years. Intel INTC, the high-conviction turnaround play. Next, Intel. Yeah, the one that's been a punching bag for years. But 2026 is shaping up as the inflection year where the turnaround thesis gets proven or not. Under new leadership with Lip-Bu Tan, Intel is executing on IDM 2.0, splitting into product design and the ambitious Intel Foundry Services IFS. The crown jewel? The Intel 18A process node, roughly 1.8 nanometers class. Now, in high-volume manufacturing with Panther Lake chip shipping. Yields are improving 7 to 8% per month. A solid ramp trajectory. Q1 2026 revenue hit $13.6 billion, up 7% YOY. Data center and AI DCI was strong. Foundry revenue growing, though still loss-making as they invest heavily. Q2 guidance, $13.8 to $14.8 billion revenue. Server CPUs nearly sold out for the year in some segments. Stock has recovered significantly from lows, but remains volatile. Consensus 2026 revenue forecasts around $58+ billion. Analysts mixed. Hold/reduce ratings common with targets in the $40 to $45 range. But bulls see $55-70+ if 18A wins external customers. Gross margins targeted to recover toward 39-40%+. This is proof year. 18AP performance variant in risk production with big gains in power/performance. External customer engagements ramping. Potential wins with hyperscalers or others could re-rate the stock massively. U.S. CHIPS Act support helps. AI PCs, Panther Lake, and data center strength provide multiple levers. Execution slips on yields or customer acquisition could send it lower. High capex burns cash. Fierce competition from TSMC. But if Intel delivers as a viable second foundry source, the upside is enormous. Think reclaiming manufacturing leadership on U.S. soil. This is not for the faint-hearted, but for believers in the turnaround. The reward to risk looks compelling heading into the second half of 2026. Micron Technology MU, the purest AI memory play. Finally, Micron, arguably the purest and most explosive play on the AI memory supercycle. They dominate in DRAM and NAND, with high-bandwidth memory, HBM, being the rocket fuel. HBM sits right next to GPUs, feeding them data at insane speeds. The numbers are staggering. Micron's entire 2026 HBM supply is already sold out, under long-term contracts. HBM market expected to grow to $100 billion by 2028 at 40% plus CAGR. Data centers could consume 70% of global memory production. Recent quarters showed jaw-dropping growth. FY 2025 revenue up massively, with HBM at multi-billion run rates. Analysts project continued explosive EPS growth into FY 2026/FY 2027 as pricing power meets volume. Stock has already multiplied, hitting trillion-dollar market cap territory at peaks, with targets reflecting further upside. Sky-high gross margins in the cycle, potentially 60% plus in strong periods. Revenue forecasts eye-popping. Forward multiples reasonable when you factor in the growth. This is a high-growth compounder in a structural boom. AI models keep scaling. More parameters mean exponentially more memory demand. Micron leads in HBM3E and is pushing HBM4 with superior performance/power efficiency. They're gaining share, signing multi-year deals, and expanding U.S. fabs. This isn't cyclical, it's infrastructure. Any meaningful AI slowdown or faster than expected new supply from competitors could pressure prices. Valuation is extended after the run. Geopolitics and capex cycles matter. But current sold-out status gives excellent visibility. If you believe AI demand stays insatiable, Micron is hard to ignore as a core holding. There you have it. Amkor dominating packaging, Intel betting big on its foundry comeback, and Micron riding the memory wave. All three are deeply tied to the unstoppable AI infrastructure build-out that's reshaping the global economy in 2026 and beyond. None of this is financial advice. Markets are volatile. Do your own due diligence, consider diversification, and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more stock analysis and AI plays, and comment below. Which of these three are you most bullish on or watching closest? The AI revolution needs these building blocks. The real question is, will you be positioned when the next leg up hits? See you in the next one.